الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وإذ نجيناكم من آل فرعون يسومونكم سوء العذاب يذبحون أبناءكم ويستحيون نساءكم وفي ذلكم بلاء من ربكم عظيم. Translation. And recall when we saved you from the people of Pharaoh, who afflicted you with dreadful torture and killed your sons, and sparing your women alive. Surely that was great trial from your Rabb. Prophet Ibrahim salam had two wives. One wife had a son, Hazrat Ismail salam. In his progeny, only one prophet came, and that is the last prophet, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The other wife had a son, Ishaq salam, and his son Yaqub salam, who is also called Israel, had 12 sons, and from these sons the Bani Israel nation was formed. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning Bani Israel, when Bani Israel had two prophets of Allah, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and Hazrat Harun alayhi salam. And after that, so many other prophets came, and in the end also there were two prophets, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam and Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam. So this background is important to understand these ayats. So in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the Pharaoh who tortured Bani Israel, and he saw a dream, and it was interpreted that there will be a man in Bani Israel who will destroy the kingdom of Pharaoh. So he ordered to kill all the boys of Bani Israel and keep the girls and ladies alive so that they can work for them. And it was a great test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the next ayah, وَإِذْ فَرَقْنَا بِكُمُ الْبَحْرَ فَأَنْجَيْنَاكُمْ وَأَغْرَقْنَا آلَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ. Translation. And when we parted the sea, then rescued you from and drowned the people of Pharaoh while you were seeing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered Musa alayhi salam to take Bani Israel with them, and he left at night, and Pharaoh found that, and he came after them. When Hazrat Musa alayhi salam reached by the sea or the river, the Pharaoh came at the back, and Allah ordered Musa alayhi salam to put his stock on the water, and he did so, and it was a big sign of Allah that there was a big way within the water formed, and there were two humongous columns of water on both sides, and in middle there was the dry path from which on which Musa alayhi salam and Bani Israel passed that passage of water. Pharaoh saw that, and he thought that he could also follow, and he did. While he was in the middle, both the columns of water united and they all drowned. That happened on 10th of Muharram, and that's the reason that Musa alayhi salam used to fast, and when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam found, he also fasted at 10th of Muharram. Now, Bani Israel saw that big sign with their eyes, and then what did they do in next ayah? وَإِذْ وَعَدْنَا مُوسَى 40 لَيْلَةً ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمُ الْعِجْلَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَنْتُمْ ظَالِمُونَ. And when we did assign Musa for 40 nights of solitude, then you chose the calf to worship after he was gone, and you did wrong to yourself. And soon after, with like 40 days, Musa alayhi salam left to get the Torah from mountain Tur, and they made a calf their god and started to pray him. So it was very, very wrong deed that they did. The next ayah, ثم عفونا عنكم من بعد ذلكم لعلكم تشكرون. And then he had forgiven you even after it, so that you may be grateful. So may Allah give us understanding of Quran. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.